Understanding Woodwork Skills, a guide to craftsmanship. Hello everyone, welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and context of the phrase, woodwork skills. This phrase is not just about carpentry. It's about the art and craft of working with wood. Let's dive into what makes woodwork a unique and valuable skill set. Woodwork skills refer to the abilities and techniques involved in crafting objects from wood. This includes measuring, cutting, shaping, and joining wood to create functional and decorative items. From making furniture to carving sculptures, woodwork encompasses a wide range of activities. It's a blend of artistry and precision, where creativity meets practical application. Woodworking is one of the oldest crafts in human history, dating back thousands of years. It began with basic tools for survival, like spears and bowls, and evolved into intricate art forms and essential trade skills. Understanding the historical context helps in appreciating the evolution and importance of woodwork skills in human culture. In this section, we'll explore the various tools used in woodworking, such as saws, chisels, and planes, and how they've evolved over time. We'll also delve into the techniques like carving, joinery, and finishing. These skills require patience and precision and are honed over years of practice. Today, woodworking combines traditional techniques with modern technology. We'll look at how power tools and computer-aided design have transformed the craft. Despite technological advancements, the fundamental woodwork skills remain invaluable, emphasizing the balance between tradition and innovation. I hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase, woodwork skills. It's a term that encapsulates a rich history, a range of techniques, and a blend of art and utility. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English skills. Remember, learning a language is like woodworking. It takes time, patience, and practice.